Alright, y'all. So I'm working on my friend car. I had it for 2 days, y'all. And for some reason, the key stopped turning, the fucking ignition, bro. I did a lot of research, and it does say that Hondas are famous for doing this shit. But of course, she thought I did it, and I had it for 2 days. So I'm trying to get it fixed. The part is $400, which I'm not trying to pay plus $150 or $100 to $150 in labor. So I'm gonna try to take everything off. I took everything around here off, and I just gotta get this last screw right here off, which is a fucking headache, bro. So once I get that off, I'm gonna take this off. So my goal is to remove the ignition, take out the tumblers, or fix the tumblers so that the key can start. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so I finally got it from out there, and we ready to go in here and check on the tumblers. Look, I got this bitch started, and look how I'm driving. Alright, y'all, so I finally got this piece out right here, and it took like 2 days, bro. This shit was hard to get out because I couldn't get a good drill to drill the hole. So I had to use stuff like this and a lot of strength to push this out. But it is turning now. So we're going to go put it in the ignition to make sure it works. These are all the tumblers and springs that I took out. All right, let's go. And then we're gonna put it back in. First, I'm gonna take the spring out because I don't want to lose it. Put it right there for a second. Has a security feature, so you gotta put that back on there to make sure it starts up. Okay, now let's see. Bam, thank God. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, y'all, so now I just gotta put her pieces back on.